All right, Michael here to give you a quick update on the latest on what's going on out there in the weather community. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if this model run is correct, we're going to have some showers and thunderstorms. We're tracking our storm system moving east towards areas of Chicago, bringing shower and thunderstorm activity to areas like Georgia. If this model run is right, we have some shower and thunderstorm activity west of Chicago and Minneapolis that's moving around right now. Looking at our outlook here, we do have a slight risk of severe weather. Tomorrow we're going to have a slight risk of severe weather as well, but we do now have that marginal risk in effect for areas of Augusta, Columbia, Greensboro, and Salem. So this is going to be an area to watch out for. We've been waiting and looking for this to see what the Storm Prediction Center is going to do. So we're just going to wait. But as far as today, tornado threat going to be in effect for areas surrounded by St. Louis. That wind threat is going to be in this area right here. Here are your cities, as well as your hail threat west. For your day 2, that severe weather threat is going to be moving east. Tornado threat mainly north of Nashville, east of Indianapolis. Wind threat going to be around Nashville, and the hail threat, we have no hail threat except for the western parts of the country, going to be mainly in New Mexico. So day 3, we have a marginal risk. Probabilistic going to be that area that's in the marginal risk area. Marginal risk areas in the north. From our 06Z model run, this is what we're looking at. Tracking this low pressure, going to be moving across areas of the eastern United States. Areas of Chicago, going to be getting up to areas. That's what the GFS model wants to hint off at, is going to be moving in the eastward direction. And the Euro tries to dissipate this storm. No matter what, we're going to be looking at shower and thunderstorm activity. So as you can see, the Euro has the low pressure there. And the Euro actually tries to take this a little bit east a little bit. We're still going to get that northwest flow, it seems. Shower and thunderstorm activity into areas like this. So this is a storm. For more rain to show up in the southern areas, so that's going to be Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, the Carolinas, Virginia, and areas of northern Florida. And it's just something we got to watch out for. So shower and thunderstorm activity expected. That's going to be looking like the weather pattern. So basically, we're going to have our low pressure. Horrible spot to put that. Low pressure. Going to move in this direction like this. And then we're going to get the moisture from this system moving back in this direction like this. And we already have the tropical moisture moving into areas like this. So a lot of moisture will be in those areas just like that in that part of the country. So today's outlook, we're not looking at much going on. A lot of alerts and things will probably change about time you watch this video or whatnot. But tropical weather outlook, nothing going on. But our alerts, heat advisories in the west, air quality alerts. We're waking up to some taste of fall-like temperatures this morning out there in the south. Special weather statements and things like that of that nature across areas of the country. Heat advisories in the central part of the country. Heat advisories in the west. Extreme heat warnings in effect in the west as well. Like I said, air qualities out there in the west. Extreme heat watches are in the west as well. Excessive rainfall, as you can see around Chicago, it does get to around the Atlanta region before making it across areas of the eastern United States. So the pattern, but whatever the map is showing, it supports what we're seeing on model. But my name is Michael, here to update you on the latest. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you out there in the weather community.